UMP ka Raja Sabha Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi ulai jingmo ka Central Library jong ka Nehu bagan sedang mo ka project halor ka digital archiving ka thup ka banlum jingtip ha ka beide bar ka jela Meghalaya bar kumjuru ya ka than chate lamingi ya ka ni ulong ha ka jelang jong ka Iaslic 29 seminar kabla long ha ka multi convention hall jong ka Nehu ha ka khatsan tarik ula ber arhaja arplai ulong baga sarkar jalaru kan sedang ban shanai ka museum Hagaro Hills ka banyasriem kumju barkani ka jingtmu ka jongu ulong ru bakan long ka jerap ka bakraw lada ka Central Library jong ka school ba Nehu kala ban ai ka jerap ya ka sarkar jala ha ka beide bakani ka project jong ka
initiate projects in the area of digital archiving of knowledge pertaining to the state of Meghalaya and the Northeast as a whole. And for information, the government of Meghalaya is going to start a museum in Hagaro Hills. And I think it will be of great help if assistance was given from the Central Library of Nehu in this initiative of the government of Meghalaya. Well, it will not only benefit my state or the Northeast, it will also benefit PhD researchers and all those who are interested in information. Well, this also will have an impact on the tourism in Meghalaya and other northeastern states because information will be instantly available in the internet. Well, this is our dream for our state. We saw that tourism is one of the departments which will really help develop and help the state. Well, on my part, I sincerely offer to support this venture and to ensure this dream that it is being realized. Well, I've seen in one of the letters given to me by the organizing secretary that, well, they need an amount of almost 25 crores for a project covering an area of 3,660 square kilometers. Well, I would request Dr. Sumer, the organizing secretary, to write to the donor ministry because this amount of money is beyond the financial power of the secretary of NEC. So I think through the NEC, you write a project, and if you need my recommendation, I will give my recommendation to the ministry for this project proposal.